Good morning, everybody. Okay, so today is Wednesday and Wednesday को as we all know हम mostly focus करते हैं on WH questions. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we will read the passage out, okay, and then we will understand the passage well, and we will see what the question we have to answer later after reading the passage. Okay, now I'll start reading. Okay, I won't explain you each and every word. We will only look at the new and new vocabularies, and then I'll try to give you the meaning. Okay, let's start. My family lives in the city. Each summer, I go to my uncle's farm with my family. We spend 3 weeks there with Uncle Joe. When we are there, Uncle Joe takes me for a ride on his enormous tractor. Okay, now my family lives in the city. मेरी family city में रहती है. Each summer, हर summer, okay, summer is गर्मी. I go to my uncle's farm with my family. हम हमारे अंकल के फार्म खेत में जाते हैं मेरी फैमिली के साथ. We spent 3 weeks there with Uncle Joe. Okay, 3 हफ्ते हम बिताते हैं with Uncle Joe. हम जब वहाँ पे रहते हैं when we are there, Uncle Joe takes me for a ride on his enormous tractor. Okay, enormous मतलब कैसा ट्रैक्टर हो सकता है वो. ही गोज ऑन अ राइड ऑन हिज एनॉर्मस ट्रैक्टर मतलब काफी बड़ा. एनॉर्मस, ओके, इट्स प्रोनाउंस्ड एज एनॉर्मस. ओके, एनॉर्मस. रिपीट आफ्टर मी. एनॉर्मस. एनॉर्मस ट्रैक्टर. ओके, एनॉर्मस ट्रैक्टर मीन्स वेरी ह्यूज, वेरी बिग. Okay, please write this down meaning in your notebook if you're not aware of the word, and if the word is new to you, please write the meaning. Enormous means huge. He lets me feed his chickens. He lets me feed his chickens. It is fun to watch him milk his cows. Okay, चिकन को खाना डालने के लिए मुझे देते हैं. फीड मतलब खिलाना. And it's very fun to watch him milk his cows. Okay, milk से जो cow से जो दूध निकालते हैं, it's very fun to watch that. Now you all are also mostly people are in village, and you must be seeing cows and farms in your village, and then you can connect back to the life of city and the life of village here. Okay, it's very different. Now going ahead, my sister Molly likes to go out by the lake to feed the ducks and watch them swim. Okay, मौली को लेक के वहां जाके डक, ओके, बदक को खाना खिलाना एंड उनको स्विम करते हुए देखना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. She also likes to help gather eggs in the morning and bring them inside. Okay, now who is she here? She is Molly, because in the first sentence we were talking about Molly. So when it's यहाँ पे जब she लगेगा, so दूसरे सेंटेंस में जब she, he, it ऐसे प्रोनाउन रखते हैं, तो इसका मतलब है जो पिछले सेंटेंस में जिसकी बात हो रही थी उसी की बात हो रही है. सो मॉली को और क्या अच्छा लगता है? एग्स कलेक्ट करना. गैदर का अनदर वर्ड है कलेक्ट. ओके, गैदर. गैदर एग्स इन द मॉर्निंग. सुबह में वो एग्स कलेक्ट करती है और अंदर ले आती है. देन आंट बेटी कुक्स द एग्स. ओके, देन आंट. आंट मतलब आंटी. बेटी उनका नाम है. वो अंडे पकाती है. ठीक है. Now my favorite thing when visiting Uncle Joe happens at night. The favorite thing happens at night. All of the family gathers together on Uncle Joe's porch after dinner. Okay, पूरी family इकट्ठा होती है Uncle Joe के porch पे. कभी? After. After मतलब बाद में. डिनर के बाद में Uncle Joe के porch पे सब बैठते हैं. Now porch का मतलब क्या है यहाँ पे? What is a porch? What can be? What you think can be a porch? ओके. पोर्च इज अ प्लेस, इज एन एरिया आउटसाइड. ओके, घर के जो बाहर एरिया होता है बैठने का, उसको हम बोलते हैं पोर्च. ओके. नाउ अंकल जो टेल्स अस ऑल अबाउट लाइफ ऑन हिज फार्म. अंकल जो क्या करते हैं, वो अपनी पूरी जिंदगी के बारे में बताते हैं, फार्म वाली जिंदगी के बारे में. And sometimes he tells us about how things have changed since he was a little boy. Okay, he also tells them कि चीजें कैसे बदल गई है when he was a little boy. We tell Uncle Joe about our life in the city. Okay, हम Uncle Joe को city के बारे में बताते हैं, city के life के बारे में, and what we have been doing all here. पूरे साल what we do and how was our city life, that we tell to Uncle Joe. Okay, now what we will do, now you saw the passage and understood the passage. Now what we will do, आप क्या करोगे, you will copy this entire passage in your notebook. Okay, in a very neat and beautiful handwriting. ठीक है, and focus on capital letters and full stops. Okay, and just write in a very neat and beautiful handwriting with all capital, full stops and punctuation in place. After you copy the passage, you will read the passage. Okay, and send me a voice note on WhatsApp of you reading the passage. Now we'll move to the question part. Okay, first is the main idea of this story is. स्टोरी का मेन आइडिया क्या है. ओके, आई हैव सेंट यू द स्ट्रैटेजीज वाला पीडीएफ. हमने मेन आइडिया काफी बार किया भी है. प्लीज रेफर टू दैट पीडीएफ. व्हाट्सएप पे स्टार मार्क करो ऑन दैट पीडीएफ वाला मैसेज, सो दैट यू कैन गो अगेन एंड अगेन एंड चेक दैट पीडीएफ whenever there's a question on any strategy, RC strategy. Now they have given us 3 options. A is I enjoy visiting Uncle Joe each summer. I get to feed the chicken. It's good to have a front porch. Okay, you have to write what can be the suitable, what is the main idea of this story. Okay. Second question, where does my family live? कहाँ पे हमारी family रहती है? Where is कहाँ? Third is, where do we go each summer? Now this is 2 questions here in one question. Now where do we go each summer and how long do we stay there? हम कहाँ जाते हैं हर समर में and हम कितनी देर तक वहाँ पे रहते हैं. Where is कहाँ, how is कितना. Fourth is, what does Molly like to do at the lake? Okay, Molly को क्या क्या पसंद है लेक पे करना. Fifth question is, what does Aunt Betty do with the eggs that Molly has collected? Okay, Aunt Betty eggs के साथ क्या करती है जो Molly ने collect किए हैं. And the sixth question, the last question is, what is my favorite thing about visiting Uncle Joe? Okay, मेरी favorite चीज क्या है Uncle Joe को visit जब हम करते हैं. ठीक है, these are your 6 questions and this is the passage. Your first step is you will copy the passage in your notebook. Second step is you will read the passage and send me a voice note of you reading the passage on my WhatsApp. Third is you will understand the passage and then you will answer the questions very well. Now how you will answer in complete sentences. Now sentences हमने कल Zoom पे किया था. So people who are not yet installed Zoom, please install and daily attend English classes. It's fun. Now we discuss about different things. We discuss about worksheet, we read story and discuss the story, and then we also do a grammar part. So please come on Zoom. Yeah, after answering the questions, you will click a picture of your assignment and send me the picture on my WhatsApp. Okay, I hope you understood the passage very well. And yeah, if any doubt, please feel free to reach out for help to your friends or to me, and help will be provided. And yes, thank you so much. Happy learning.